Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and in this video what I want to do is try out the Netlify Forms feature. I've never actually tried it out before, never just really needed to, but what Netlify does, it has a feature on its suite of features where you can add a form to your website and you can have Netlify handle the form. So I figured we'd try it out. So first off, let me go back and read a little bit on that again. I'm pretty sure you just stick the word Netlify in the as an attribute in the form tag, but just to make sure, let's take a look. Log in, spinny spin spin. Let's go to just one of these things, forms. Here we go. And yeah, so you just literally put the word Netlify in the middle of your form. Okay, HTML the new form, add a Netlify attribute to the form tag, and you'll receive submissions in your Netlify dashboard. HTML files are parsed directly at deploy time, so there's no need for you to make an API call or include extra JavaScript on your site. Okay. And for safe measure, we'll just kind of follow this and give the form a name as well. Okay. Okay. Cool. So let's just make a quick one pager. So I'm going to create a folder. We're just going to call this test Netlify forms. And then I'm going to open up this folder, create a index.html, new file, index.html. Put up my HTML boilerplate. And then I am going to create a form. And again, we're going to give the form a name. So we'll give the name the form. And then we're going to put the Netlify attribute there. So there's my form, and we're going to have an input of type equals text, and that's going to type equals text. That's going to have a name of name, and that is that. And then just create a couple more inputs. Actually, we'll just leave it at that. Name, and then we will have an input that says that is of type equals submit. And that just submits the form, and that's that. There's my form. Okay. So now what I'll do is let me go here and open up this folder. Open an integrated open containing folder. Let me open Netlify. Do this. Actually, let's do it this way. Do that. Do that. Then I'm going to go back to the main area. I want to deploy a new website. So basically what you can do is you go to sites. If you scroll to the bottom, you have the space here where you can just drag a folder. Because no need to set up a whole GitHub repository for this. Okay, so the site is deployed. That was nice and quick and easy. Here's the form. Let's see here. If I say Alex Merced, submit. Thank you. Your form submission has been received. That's cool. So let me head back to Netlify. Okay, let's find out where I can. Recent form submissions. Nice. And I go here, and there it is. And then I can delete it, so that way I don't have to save this around anymore. And there you go. And you can download all your form data as a CSV if you want to use it somewhere else. Yeah, so that's pretty easy to get your form up and running. That was very cool. Super easy. My name is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com. If you enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe. Make sure to head over to devnursery.com, join the Slack and Discord communities, and I will see you around. Have a great day and enjoy.